Hello, welcome to my meditation series. This is video number 4. My name is Kim and I will be highlighting movement meditation in this one. How many of you go for walks in the woods by yourself? How many of you garden? How many of you go boating, go jogging, or do any type of movement? And or do yoga. Those are just a few of the ways to do movement meditation. When you do these, you are allowing your mind to wander. It's okay to let your mind wander with this one. But when your mind wanders, you're wandering on what you're doing. When you're gardening, you're wandering on the feel of the soil, the plant, the smell of the soil, the plant, and the air around you, the smells, the sights, and the sounds. You're using all your senses. And the same is when you're going for a walk. You're taking in all the sights, the sounds, the smells. You're aware of what's around you. So you're in the here and now. And these senses will bring thoughts. They will bring memories. They will bring dreams to mind. So you are focusing on yourself and not with the chattering. You're not listening to the chattering thoughts in your mind. You're focusing on the thoughts that come through your mind from the here and the now. And you don't have to focus on listening to guided meditations, instructions as to breathe in and breathe out. Now visualize this, visualize that. This you just do. You go out for a walk and you take in what's going on around you, how you feel, the sensations you get. And this is another one of the meditations that I found out that I had always done as a kid myself, because I used to walk in the woods a lot when I would get bored or anxious or be upset. And I do. I love to go hiking. I love nature trails. And I do gardening every once in a while. So look for that movement, a movement that guides you, something that you enjoy, and take that time for yourself. Even if it's a short walk, to the mailbox, if you have enough things that you enjoy when you go out. If you live in the country, you got trees, you got flowers, or if you got a garden nearby by the sidewalk, look at the flowers as you're going out to the mailbox. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time with it. Take in what you can when you have that movement. Or if you've got to walk to work or walk to somebody's place or something like that, take in what's around you. Enjoy that walk. Don't focus on why you're walking. Don't focus on where you're walking. Well, you might want to make sure you don't bypass where you're walking or make a wrong turn, but enjoy that walk. Enjoy the sights and the sounds around you. So, and it's a way for you to take time for yourself and get a moment of peace. So, hopefully, you've started figuring out what types of meditations will work for you, or maybe the ones you've already done and will continue to do. And there are a few more videos coming along for different methods, and hopefully these videos are helping you out. And look forward to the other methods, and I will let you go so you can enjoy meditating. See you later.